Hello and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 27. From the diagram above, if the particle F is at a distance x from 0 to the right, the phase of vibration will be different from that at 0 by A. 2 pi x over lambda, B. pi x over lambda, C. lambda over 2 pi x, D. lambda over pi x. So you have this diagram here showing a wave graph, and then this object x, this particle F rather, travels the distance x from the origin, which is the point 0, towards the right. So why is that the phase of vibration will be different by what? Now, from the wave formula, the general wave formula, which is A sine 2 pi bracket ft minus x over lambda, you can actually deduce the phase of vibration of a wave, the phase of vibration, and the phase of vibration of a wave is usually given as 2 pi x over lambda, 2 pi x over lambda. So 2 pi x over lambda is option A. So the answer to this question is A. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.